Been counting all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers, staring names. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found.
Hey guys, just want to show you guys what I got here is a fake carbon fiber lifts for 2019 Honda Accord. Looks pretty decent. I mean, you can't really tell if it's real or fake by just looking at it. But if you flip it over, it's pretty much plastics. This is all it is. It's plastic, but it's really nice from the top. I got these on eBay for like $85. This comes in 3 pieces, which is make it a lot easier to install. I mean, look at this beautiful color. Can't even tell if it's real or fake unless you touch it. But it's pretty light as well. So just want to show you guys what it looks like in a bright sunlight. I mean, it's shiny. So this part doesn't come with any hardware on it. So this is the screws that I'm gonna be using. This is gonna be on the bottom. This is gonna be going through my bumper. Pretty long enough to secure it.
Aren't you glad to meet me? I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and ticking slow. Yes, you're overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should.